Capricorn, there is someone who is always thinking about you not only during the day but also all night long. They miss you in a way they can't explain. Their heart beats faster every time they hear your name. It's not just a simple feeling. It's a calling. And if you're watching this, it means the universe wants to let you know that something big and important is coming. This intense desire, it has a connection to your destiny. Don't miss this video because its contents can open doors in your life for love, truth, and maybe even a reunion. Watch until the end, your story may change. Capricorn, you're not just imagining it. There is a strong and silent energy surrounding you right now. Is it as if someone is tugging at your spirit as if they are calling you without words? You may feel a sudden heaviness in your chest or a strange warmth when you think of them. It's not just a memory. It's a desire trying to reach you. This person can't stop thinking about you. Day and night, your smile, your voice, and your energy keep coming back to their minds. And what could be more intense? The universe allows all of this for a reason. This reading isn't just about love. It's about a deep emotional longing, a desire that is so strong. That's why it shows up in dreams, signs, and even the sudden urge to look at your phone. If you're ready for us to open the message that awaits you, you deserve to know the truth behind this energy. Current energy reading. Right now, Capricorn, the energy around you is full of unspeakable emotions. It's like a wave, quiet for a moment and then suddenly crashing. You may have noticed that these are the moments where your heart beats faster for no reason, where a particular song is playing louder than it should, or where someone suddenly pops into your mind, someone you haven't thought about in a while. This is not just a coincidence. You are energetically connected to someone who is silently calling you. You may not hear their voice, but your soul feels it on a spiritual level. This person is thirsting for connection, not just physically, but also emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. They miss your presence. They are seeking your calm energy, your strength, your silence that is stronger than words. And you may feel it more than you would like to admit. You are more reflective now. Memories may suddenly come flooding back to your mind. You may find yourself staring at Sam at night, asking yourself, "Why am I feeling this?" That is your inner self adjusting to the whispers of the universe. Your aura, Capricorn, is glowing right now. There is something in your energy that is feeding off intense thoughts, dreams, and even fantasies from someone who just can't seem to let you go. You may have moved on or closed a chapter, but they haven't. In fact, they are feeling it more strongly now than ever. It's not just longing, it's understanding. They are starting to realize what you are in their life, what they have lost. And now the universe is showing them that loss back to you through signs. Repetitive numbers, random dreams, and even strong emotions that don't seem to be yours. This is not just spiritual energy. This is magnetic energy. You are literally pulling someone back into your emotional realm. The kind of pull that cannot be forced and certainly cannot be faked. It happens naturally because your soul and theirs are still in the process of being finished. The universe does not stir up these emotions for no reason. Whether it's for closure, reunion, or clarity, this moment opens a portal for something big. And Capricorn, you have to decide. Will you listen to what your spirit is trying to tell you? Or will you let the call slip and ignore the message? Stay with me because what you discover next may unsettle you. This isn't just about someone you miss. This is about someone who can't help but lust after you and may finally be ready to show it. The person who desires Capricorn. So who is this person who can't help but lust after you? They may not say it out loud. They may show they've moved on or pretend they've forgotten about you. But deep down, their heart is bursting with longing. And Capricorn, this isn't just a fleeting attraction. This is emotional hunger, a desire that comes from the soul, not just the body. This person is thought of at night, when the world is quiet and they are alone with their thoughts. That's where your memory comes in like a whisper. They remember your voice soft, calm, but full of strength. They engrave in their minds the conversations you had, even the small ones that you may not even remember. They remember the way you looked at them not only with your eyes but also with understanding. You saw parts of them that no one else saw. And now, you're gone, that space is stronger than ever. They try to divert their attention, but no one fills the silence you left. You may be asking why. The answer is simple. They weren't ready then. Maybe they were scared. Maybe they didn't know how to deal with someone as real, strong, and powerful as you. Capricorn, your love is rare. You don't just give your heart away. And when you do, it's pure, deep, and honest. That intention is what they fear. They think they can handle it. But when they got it, they didn't realize how sacred it was. And now, you're gone. They're learning. They scroll through their phone, looking at old pictures, old messages. They stare at your social media silently. If you're quiet or distant, they notice it. Every day. They wonder if you've moved on. If someone else sees your smile now. And that idea drives them crazy. Even though you've had arguments or rifts, their desire for you has become stronger. And not just physically, although that's part of it all, but a need to feel your soul again. They want the peace you bring to their lives, the sense of safety, and also the moments when you challenge them to grow. You're not just a loved one, you're a mirror. And now they're standing in front of their reflection, finally seeing what they've lost. Spiritually, they're trying to connect with you again. You may feel their energy in random ways. A sudden surge of emotion, a dream where they appear, or moments when you feel like someone is watching you. That's not your imagination. That's their energy reaching out to you. The desire they feel never fades. In fact, it grows stronger with each passing day. And here's the thing. They don't know how to approach you yet. But they want to. More than ever, they are scared but hopeful. Quiet but with a plan. Emotional but waiting. And in the depths of their hearts, they pray that you will feel it as much as they desire you, that you may feel it too. Capricorn, there is someone who is desperately hungry for your presence. And in the next part, we will find out what is stopping this person from expressing themselves. Because if they desire you so much, what is stopping them? Let's find out. The emotional barrier or obstacle. Now, here is the truth. Capricorn, if this person really wants you, why haven't they come forward yet? The answer lies in the emotional barrier that stands between you two. This person, despite their intense desire, is held back by fear. Not fear of you, but fear of being vulnerable. Fear of not being enough for someone like you. They see you as strong, grounded, and emotionally mature. And because of this, they feel small compared to you. They carry regrets not just about what they did or didn't say, but about how they weren't there when they really needed to be. For some of you, this person may have a past that they are ashamed of. Emotional baggage, a karmic relationship, or a cycle that they haven't fully healed from. They are afraid that you will reject them and see through all their walls. And funny enough, that's exactly why they keep coming back to you, because no one else sees their truth the way you do. There is also sadness, a heavy sadness. They may have thought your love was always there, and not appreciated your quiet efforts. And now, whenever they think of going back, sadness whispers. Could it be too late? That very idea can push someone away who wants to reach out. Another obstacle, ego. This person may have chosen pride over love in the past. They didn't want to appear weak, so they avoided you. But deep down, they are broken. Now that they long for you night and day, their ego is fighting in their heart. A silent war. A war you can't see, but they feel every moment. For others, physical distance may be a reason, a long-distance situation, a roadblock in life that has brought you so far apart. And now they are wondering if the distance is too far to cross. But Capricorn, the universe is changing this energy. These obstacles are testing them. And in the next part, we'll discuss how the universe has already sent you and them signs that are trying to push this person into action. Stay with me, because when you notice these signs, you may realize that this connection was never lost. Just waiting to come back. Signs of the universe and dreams. Capricorn, when the universe wants to show you something, it doesn't always scream loudly. Sometimes it whispers in numbers, in dreams, in sudden feelings that have no explanation but strike your heart. Lately, you may have noticed some patterns. Is hour-ling minute 2 hour 22 minutes, or repeating numbers like 5 and 55. These are not just random times on the clock, these are cosmic reminder signs that your energy is being pushed toward something, or more accurately said, someone. That person is the one who can't stop wanting you. They are sending their energy towards you even if they don't realize it. And the universe acts as a bridge between the two of you. If you are having dreams about someone from your past, especially if those dreams seem real and leave you with an emotional aftertaste, it is not just a memory, It is a connection to the soul trying to relive. Capricorn, your intuition is stronger than you think. You may hear a song from your past and suddenly feel a wave of emotion. You may smell something, a scent, a place, a type of food, and immediately think of them. Maybe you are walking down the street and someone who looks like them passes by even for a second. That is the universe showing you. This energy has not gone away. It is coming back. Even on social media, you may notice strange things. Their post pops up immediately. Their name randomly appears, or your phone shows old photos. It is not the algorithm. It is the divine weaving of pieces behind the scenes. The universe is also working on their side. They are also thinking about you. They may wake up in the middle of the night. Their hearts are beating fast. They don't understand why they feel your energy so strongly. They may hear your name in random places or meet people who remind them of you. Capricorn, there is a cosmic connection happening between your soul and theirs. And it's not just spiritual, it's emotional, magnetic, and guided. It's not about fantasy. It's about alignment. Something in the spiritual world is preparing you both for a reunion, closure, or clarity. And these signs are the beginning. But the universe can only show you the way. It's already there if you listen. So ask yourself, what are you feeling right now that has no explanation? What signs keep popping up? Who do you think about when you are quiet? Because in the next part, we'll discuss what happens next and how it all builds up to something powerful that could be life-changing. Capricorn, the silence is about to be broken. What happens next? A reunion, an action, or a confession? Capricorn, it's all leading up to this point. The energy, the signs, the dreams, the memories, these aren't just emotional leftovers. They're preparing you for something that's about to happen. Something real. This person who's been craving you so much night and day has reached a breaking point. The silence is no longer comforting them. It's starting to feel like a prison. They want to speak. They need to act. And now the universe is pushing them out of hiding. So what happens next? Get ready for a change in communication. It may start quietly, a random message, a social media reaction, a comment that's too personal to be casual, or they may come right out with words they've been thinking about but never had the courage to say. For others, it may be even more surprising. A call in the middle of the night, an apology they never gave, or a confession they were afraid to say before. They can't hold it back, Capricorn. Their emotions are now flowing through the walls they've built. What triggered this change? It's the realization of loss. They're starting to understand that your presence in their lives is not ordinary. You're not just a passing chapter. You're the one who saw them for who they really are and loved them whole. That kind of connection doesn't just disappear. And as time passes, even their distractions disappear. The people, the noise, the excuses. None of this can make up for your mark. Now, all they feel is longing and regret. But here's the twist, some of them are afraid you've moved on. They don't know if you'll open the door yet, so they're planning carefully. Watching your energy. Waiting for a sign from the other person that it's safe to walk towards you. This is why your energy is more important now than ever. In the coming days or weeks, watch for the following. Sudden contact after a long silence. Messages that seem simple but have hidden emotion. Dreams where you're talking or where they finally say what you've been waiting to hear. Strong urges to check your phone at random times. A deep wave of emotion that comes suddenly. These are signals that the portal to reunion is open. And Capricorn, whether you like it or not, this moment is meant to bring clarity. This isn't about pleading or nagging. This is about the truth. You deserve to know how deeply you want it. You deserve to hear the things that haven't been said. And you deserve the power to choose what happens next. In the next part, I will show you a powerful way to channel your energy. To call this connection or to silently close it with love. Because whether you allow them to come back in or walk away completely, you will finally have your answer. What should you do, ritual or energetic transformation? Capricorn, now that the energy is shifting and the door to this connection is slowly opening, it is time to channel your spirit into clarity, peace, and strength. This is not about nagging. This is about preparing your heart to accept or let go. And to do this, I want to share a simple ritual that many believe can remove emotional blocks and call forth truth. Here are the steps. Tonight before bed, light a white candle. Even a small candle. Hold it with both hands close to your chest and take 3 deep, slow breaths. In your mind or out loud say, if this soul is meant for me, may they come to me with truth and love. If not, may I release them with peace and strength. Then place the candle in a safe place and let it burn for a few minutes while you sit in silence. No music, no distractions. Just silence. Imagine their face not with anger or pain but with light. Let them feel peace even though they have hurt you. Why? Because what you are sending now is multiplied by the universe. Capricorn, this ritual is not about magic tricks. It is about telling the universe, I am ready for the truth, for closure, for true love. And sometimes the moment you do this, something changes. A message will come out. A dream will bring clarity. Suddenly your heart will be light. You don't have to chase anything because the light feels your way and it will find its way back if it is meant to. Capricorn, you carry so much, quietly, steadily and harmoniously. Even though the world has not seen your trials, you continue to move forward. Believe that one day your heart will truly be understood. This moment, this energy is not a chance. The desire you feel and the desire someone feels for you is the universe reminding you that your love is rare and unforgettable. You were never just an option in someone's story. You are the turning point. You are the one they remember in silence. You are the only one their soul seeks in silence. But most of all, you are your own light. Whether this person comes back with a confession or the universe closes the chapter for you to rise even higher, your destiny is secure. Trust your intuition. Trust your strength. You are not lost. You are being prepared for something greater. Capricorn, let go of fear. Let go of doubt. Choose to move forward with a heart open to miracles, open to true love and open to yourself. Whatever happens next, believe that it is open. Your story continues to unfold. And the next page may be the one that will give you the love you have long deserved. Stay strong, Capricorn. The universe is watching and you are never alone. Capricorn, if this message resonates with your heart, let your voice be heard. Comment your zodiac sign below and share if you have felt these signs or desires in your life. All stories matter. Yours can inspire others on their journey. Don't forget to like this video if you believe in the power of the universe and the energy of love. Share this with someone who needs hope right now. And if you want more readings and messages just for you, be sure to subscribe and join our growing family. Together, let's embrace the blessings that await us. You are never alone.